Meteorologist Mike Hoffman joining us here with a look at rainfall over the past 7 days. And obviously we know what Hurricane Ida did, put down lots of rain, but other places getting rain.
We did see some, and some of it was from the remnants of Hurricane Nora that never really made any news, but it did send some moisture up into the northern plains. And you can obviously pick out the remnants of Ida, the heaviest amounts, obviously where it came on shore. Eastern Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, Panhandle of Florida. But then, although it put down some decent amounts of rain through the Tennessee and eastern Ohio valleys, it ended up really pummeling, as we saw in the news, parts of Pennsylvania, New York, and southern New England. So that's kind of the obvious area. I wanted to kind of highlight this area, though. Parts of the northern plains got some much needed rain. Especially south central, southeastern South Dakota, parts of eastern North Dakota, and I'm sure if you're living in the western portions of both of those states, you're going, missed some more rain. Unfortunately, that happens in a drought. It's tough to get out of a drought. In this situation, though, we have a lot of rain down into Kansas, eastern Nebraska, western Iowa, and areas farther north. Drought Monitor continues to show the drought through the northern tier of states, northern Minnesota, North Dakota, parts of South Dakota especially, and in the west, as you can see there. Jet stream, we have a trough in the Great Lakes. Another one dives in for the middle of the week. That's going to be some pretty cool air, hot out west. And it looks like that ridge kind of gets cut down a little bit and then pops back up along the west coast by next Saturday. And we'll see another trough digging into the northern plains and the Great Lakes and more energy after that. So I think we're going into a pattern with the ridge out west and the trough in the east at least for a while. So temperatures this week will go below normal, partially because of the rainfall that they've had from Ida, but also below normal up into the eastern Great Lakes. Southeast above normal in the western half of the country, except the Pacific Northwest expected to be above normal. Look at this. Precipitation this week below normal. Most of the country, as you can see, above normal along the Gulf Coast and the Northeast. 30-day outlook for temperatures will keep below normal there. Southern Mississippi Valley into the Tennessee Valley, above normal northern and western sections, and then precipitation above normal Gulf Coast in the mid-Atlantic and the Southwest, otherwise near normal with below normal parts of the Great Lakes and the western portions of the country. That's a look across the country. Now let's take a look at some local forecasts. First of all, for Flagstaff, Arizona, warm with lots of sunshine, high temperature of 80 degrees. Vandalia, Illinois, sunshine and pleasant, high temperature of 82. And finally, Atlantic City, New Jersey, a mix of sunshine and clouds, high around 80.